Another tool is film grain. With this tool, you can convert your image to the aged and old image. For example, image like this. I want to convert this portrait to old image. Grain is something like noise, but it's very different. Noise is the issues, but grain is the artistic dots that you can add to your image. Going to the edit, the last tool here is a film grain. It's very simple. Just increase the amount. As you can see, it gives you a grain. As you can see, they are not noise, they are grain. You can change the size of that grain if you want. Size of the individual, any grain, or more roughness or smooth. You can see them. You can change make this amount of that, or you can change the roughness, more blur or more sharp. This is all about the grain. You can add this. Or if you don't want, you can masking in any part that you want it with apply or not. That's it.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.